Hello everyone and welcome to the another Stock Watch episode series. And in this new episode, we are going to discuss one more stock, and that is Shilpa Medicare stock. This is the daily time frame of Shilpa Medicare. And if you are the part of my Telegram channel, I have been updating about the upcoming strongest sectors and strongest weakest sectors for performing or non-performing, and pharma was one of them. And I have found good signals on Shilpa Medicare, which is the from the pharma sector. Let's analyze this stock on a different time frame and with different tools, so you will get idea how we are going to discuss and how we have shortlisted this stock for next couple of days. And previously we have seen the Aarti drugs, which is also from the pharma space, and we are expecting, because we have discussed somewhere here and it has dragged down to here. Still the stop loss is not hit, and we can expect a good bounce back in next couple of days. So Aarti drugs still view is intact. Same, if you haven't watched that video, go back to that video of the detailed analysis, and you will get idea about the now you will get the idea about the levels as well. Let's start with the today's stock, Shilpa Medicare. So this is the daily time frame. We have seen a strong candle here, the daily time frame, which is almost up by 5% on last trading session. And we have seen couple of down move since here, and we have seen more importantly here, there is a wick of a hammer candle. Okay. And again, one more reversal doji candle, shadow is placed same at the same area. So that is the reason this stock is came into the picture and we have shortlisted. Let's start with the higher time frame analysis, the monthly time frame. And we have seen since couple of months it has been down. Since the month of December, continuously 4 to 5 months it was in the downtrend, and we have seen this is an uptrend from the April to the 3rd of August. Okay, so now expecting this is a bearish candle again made. Importantly, the RSI is near to 45-40 zone. You can see here around 44 zone. So which is a good standard area of bulls, the last hope. And there is one, lastly, it has taken support near 40 in the month of March 2020. So in the month of March 2020, the panic low has been made here. Since then, it has not touched this area of lows around 230, 250 zone. So expecting same price action, because it has made a panic low, panic bottom here. Expecting it will not test in next couple of months. So we can expect slightly sideways or maybe sideways to upside momentum in next few days. Importantly, after a good down move, we expect sideways or maybe sideways to upside momentum. That's the main whole idea. Let's start with the weekly time frame. And we have seen a very nice candlestick pattern. If we look at the candle here, this is a kind of inverted, this is a kind of shooting star at bottom. And I have made one whole video about this candlestick pattern. If it is comes near to the bottom, it will almost seal your bottom most of the time. And it has also come near to the previously here. It is an area of gap support, and we have seen a follow-up buying in this week that confirms this candlestick is intact and showing good reversal because of this follow-up buying in this week. So that's the whole idea. If I can see, there is a couple of days, a couple of weeks we have seen down move, and this is a reversal candle and this is a follow-up buying. So that's a good sign. After a good declining selling pressure, some reversal candle appear and follow-up buying of that particular reversal candle, confirming that this is an area might possible some short-time bottom has probably made here. Now let's move to the daily time frame. And we have seen here there is this moving average slope is down, and we can expect this moving average value will be a resistance zone for next couple of days. And we have also seen here this is the area of probable bottom which has broken out here, expecting a move up to here around this is the area 410 somewhere. Before that, there is one more thing here is there is a positive divergence here. This is a price is declining and the RSI showing a good positive divergence, and we have seen a couple of sideways, couple of reversal candlestick pattern also. And importantly, in starting of the video we have seen the shadow here has been made, and again one doji candle shadow also made some same area here. So this is a good demand zone, and price is still here and sideways expecting. Then probability of a bounce is very high because of the demand area, the positive divergence, the momentum has been showing a good divergence here. RSI is above 40 now, and we have seen a good follow-up buying here with a slightly good volume. Volumes are not that much great, but we will see good volumes in next couple of days because of this various reasons we have seen. And if I can draw simple trend line from this point to this point, it has also given a, let me do it here, it has also given a good trend and breakout here. So that's the reason the divergence, it's showing its effect. Trend line is giving us entry, so could be a good entry area because the stock is near to a bottom and risk is very low. One more aspect I would like to add, which is slightly advanced, and we have seen that this is a Bollinger Band, and it has been tagging 3 times, 1, 2, and this is the third one. So almost with the help of Bollinger Band analysis, we can say probably the bottom has been made. So with the help of weekly candlestick reversal pattern, on a daily reversal candlestick patterns, with the Bollinger Band analysis, so almost 2 to 3 tools are suggesting probable bottom has been made in this counter. So this is the whole calculation for Shilpa Medical. Now let's discuss about the levels for this counter. So first level I already discussed, which is this is the area we have seen couple of times. It has taken support here, one more is here, and one more is here, and finally it has broke out here. So this area 410 will act as a very important resistance because this is the area previously worked as a support. Now it will work as a resistance. Right now stock is at 350. You can keep the stop loss of this couple of lows here, okay, and this close also will act in very importantly. So around 330, keep the stop loss slightly below that level. So 325 I would take as a important area of support, or we will call it a stop loss. Okay, so right now stock is trading around 351, expecting a price up to 410, and the second level comes near to the 450 zone. Okay, so this is not a buy and sell recommendation, just for the educational purpose. We are analyzing the levels also along with the technical tools. Okay, and if you wish to learn more about technical analysis tools and trading techniques, link into the description of my online technical analysis class. And recently we have launched our launching offer is going on till 10th of April. We have extended 10 days. Okay, so you can grab this opportunity. So back to the level. So 351 is the last traded price, last closing price. 410, 450 is the two levels we expect in next couple of days or weeks. Keep the stop loss at 325 on the closing basis. So this is the whole analysis of Shilpa Medicare. Okay. I hope you like this video and you enjoyed how we analyze a very simple tools with a different multi-time frame analysis. And please like, share and subscribe, and wait for another video. Thank you so much.